DLSS versus FSR. Which one actually makes your games run better? Both technologies upscale your games to boost FPS without killing image quality. But here's the thing, they work completely differently. DLSS uses AI and RTX hardware to deliver sharper visuals and better motion stability. FSR focuses on wider compatibility and, honestly, a more natural looking image. So what's upscaling? It renders your game at a lower resolution, then intelligently scales it up. DLSS 4 now offers even better performance with multi-frame generation, whilst FSR 4 has caught up with improved temporal stability. Performance? Both deliver solid FPS gains. Image quality? DLSS tends to edge ahead in fine details. Game support? FSR works on more hardware. DLSS? You'll need an RTX card. Vist, MIP Bottleneck.com for more info.